Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch two videos together in Google Pixel. So first, what you need to do is open the Google Pixel, and basically Google Photo app, and then press and hold down on the first video to enter selection mode, then tap on the second video. So let's do, for example, this one, and then what we are going to select. Let's say one of here uh from the let's say, okay, we can select this one. Now tap the plus icon located at the here in this bottom of the screen, create, and here you will select highlight video. On some older Pixel versions, this might be labeled as a movie. So highlight video, and Google Photo will now process and place both clips into a timeline editor layout, as you can see here now. And now we can start basically doing the things. As you can see here in this, you have option of resizing, music, text, adjustments. If we click on this video, we can also cut it uh, to where we want it. Also, we can move it, but I think it's way cooler like so. So yeah, you can cut it, you can move it as you wish. Um, and yeah, you can go back, adjust some brightness, contrast, white points, and so on. So you have bunch of options here to make a quick adjustment. We can also throw out some filters if we want, not complicated things. And yeah, this is then pretty much the thing what you can do with it. So yeah, you can then add some audio, music, some text. You can also add to the video, and that's it. When you are done, you will just hit save, and this will start saving the video right into and it will put it here into your album. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next